Welcome to the InnoQuotient Clients area. In this video, we will show you the index of the culture of innovation in the section Outputs of Evolution. In this section, we analyze the evolution of your indexes of the culture of innovation. In the global tables, we can see the numerical results of the evolution between two assessments. Let's go to full screen with the expand icon. It is more comfortable to see the evolution outputs on table modes. By default, the previous assessment and elements are selected. We can see the evolution of elements grouped by blocks. Remember that the green color means positive evolution and the red color means setbacks. The datum shown is the percentage of the difference between previous and the current assessment. We can see the same information by factors, rational and emotional, blocks, or globally. With the assessment selector, we can compare our current outputs versus any of the previous assessment. We can view the outputs in charts from the global chart option. We select the immediately previous assessment elements and the spider chart. The image shows the global evolution. At a first sight, you can see in which elements have impacted the change implemented between assessments. To interpret the evolution correctly, we need to know well the transformation actions being carried out with the team, and also what important change are affecting the organization, such as the crisis in the sector, mergers, etc., etc. You can use the selectors to add multiple perspectives to your analysis. And if you want to delve further, you can see the evolution by certain segments of the organization. Thus, we go comparison by metadata. Here, we incorporate the analysis by each metadata variable. Starting by department, select one department of the previous assessment and one of the current assessment, then you can check how the evolution has taken place. Selectors allow you navigating through the three IQ model levels and choose any chart more suitable. Remember that all charts and tables have the option to download the information in JPG or PNG to be incorporated in your presentations. And this is all in the section of the Index of the Culture of Innovation. Thank you all for your attention, and if you want to learn more, visit our InnoQuotient channel in YouTube. Thank you.